Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back outside here on the Monument gas grill. I know I've been doing a lot of cooks on the Monument gas grill. To be honest, I've been getting some questions on gas grill cooking and smoking. Can it be done? So I've been trying to show a little bit more of that. I've got some pork tenderloins we're gonna grill up on here. We'll do a little grilling, but I'm gonna add a little smoke first and get them cooked up on here. Shouldn't take that long. So guys, come along, let me show you what we're doing. Alright guys, here's what we got, what we're working with. These don't look too bad, to be honest. I'm just going to trim a little bit of the fat off. Any silver skin I might see. A little bit of silver skin right there if I can get to it. I'm not overly worried about it. That's what we're going to do. Alright guys, can't wait to get this seasoned up and on the grill. For my seasoning, I'm going to come in here with some of this Brazilian steakhouse rub from Grillaholics. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I'm coming to really love it. Link below if you're interested to Grillaholics, and I'll give you 20% off. Give these things a flip. Season these up real good. Be sure to get all sides. We're going to go out here and fire this grill up, bring it up to temp, and get this on. This thing up to temp. Alright guys, I'm going to turn this middle burner completely off, and I'm going to turn these two outside burners all the way down from now. I'm going to regulate it and kind of bring it back up. I'm going to cook this at probably about 350 degree range. On the top rack up here, just so I can try to control the temps and get a little smoke going. Speaking of smoke, I'm gonna come in here. I got this tube, maybe just a little over half full of cherry wood pellets, and we're just gonna get that going so we can get some smoke rolling. Should last the entire cook. Let this flame up just a little bit, make sure we're good and going hot, then we'll blow out the flame and let her just smoke. Let's go ahead and get some pork tenderloins, get them on the grill. Alright guys, let's see how this is going to go. Last time I did this was on a 4-burner grill. So I'm not sure exactly how it's going to go on this 3-burner for even cooking. But we're going to find out. We will turn them. That's not an issue. Look at that cherry wood smoke go. Alright guys, we'll check back here and here in just a little bit. I'm gonna slow cook this, or fairly slow cook this till we're about 120 or so internal, and then we're just gonna grill it off on the down low on the burners. Alright guys, I'm gonna come back here. It's been about 15 minutes. We still got a little bit to go. I'm gonna give these a flip just for some even cooking. I'm gonna check some temps, but oop, get up there. Get up there. Let my fire get away. Still got some good smoke rolling. I don't know if I mentioned it, this is all cherry wood pellets. I like cherry on that pork. And I can tell we're not there. I'm gonna come back in about 15 more minutes and just see where we're at. Alright, we've been on about 25 minutes. 128. There in the middle. 132. Yeah, it's time to sear these off a little bit. Probably should have done that a few minutes ago, to be quite honest. I'm gonna crank up this side over here. I'm gonna leave the middle burner off. And I'm gonna try to do them both. Don't really need that so much anymore. But yeah, let's come back here. We're gonna hit these up for just a few minutes on each side and check the temps, guys. We'll come back and give these a flip here in just a second. Guys, let's see if I can get in here and give these guys a flip. Ain't been just a couple minutes. Oh yeah. Just go another minute or two and we're going to check that. Alright guys, just been a couple minutes. 141. Yeah, we need to pull these off of here. That one's a little higher. Need to really get that one off of there and let it rest. 143 back here, so we're good. I think we're really good. Get these in the house and let them rest a few minutes and we'll cut this up and get a taste test. Alright guys, would you look at that? I'm gonna cut this bigger one first. It looks still delicious, it smells delicious. I don't know about a smoke ring, probably not much of one if any, but I sure got some good smoky cherry wood flavor in there. So let me get this cut up. Not much of a smoke ring. I love these because you just automatically cut them into bite-sized pieces. It is certainly hot, nice and juicy. Did you look at that? No smoke ring, plenty of juices in there, guys. Let me get this cut up. Let me get mama fed, and we'll come back and we'll do a taste test. Alright guys, get a taste of these. It's so tender, it's just pulling right apart. That Brazilian steakhouse rub, Grillaholics, delish, very tender. Love you. If you get them right at the 140, 145 range, that's a perfect cook on these guys. If you pull it at 140, it'll kind of rise on up to 145 or so. Delicious, guys. Tell you what, I'm gonna stop talking. It did get a little warm out there. One more for you. And wash it down. Did not get a smoke ring. I didn't expect one no longer than what was on there. This was only about a 35, maybe 40-minute cook tops. So yeah, we kind of went, I cooked it at about 350 degrees. Up until I hit about 125. I think I was, parts of it I was up to 130. Then I just seared it off a couple minutes on each side. And that was it. We pulled it off and let it rest for maybe 8 minutes or so. And we're done. It is delicious. It's that easy to cook. I've seen some people sear them first and then bring it up to temperature. I like to add a little smoke in her. I like to get the smoke in her before you get just get the smoke in there before you get the sear, so you get a little bit extra flavor. That's how I do it. You do you. Guys, thank you as always. I love doing these videos. I'm gonna keep bringing you some. I'm gonna bring you, just by request, Some more gas grill cooks, because I do get a lot of questions on that, and I use it all the time, but I don't film on it a lot. So you'll see a little bit more of that as we go. We're still gonna do some Weber Kettle stuff. Don't worry about that. We're gonna do plenty on the Weber Kettle. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.